As I said, I was going to show my new ModAddon system thingy. As I just said in my last video that I uploaded a couple of hours ago, and I just needed to finish up the last things because before I could record this video. But some changes, or I've made a lot of changes from the old addon system that I've made, if you've seen that. And the changes that I've made is that in the old addon system you could only create one class, and you need to extract that class from the jar file that you export, so the program could load the class, and the program could also, if you had a .java file, it could compile it to a class file. So that's kind of a neat feature that it had. But this new mod system, it loads a whole jar file, so you can have as many classes as you want to and as much stuff as you want to. You just only need to create at least one class that extends a base mod class that I've called it. That's kind of your main function for in a normal program. So the base mod is like the main function. That's where everything is handled in your mod. So once you need something rendered, you need to pinpoint it from that class, and you can make more than one class that extends base mod class in your jar file, so you can actually make more mods in one jar file, and that's kinda a neat feature too. But I'll just show this map here, or not map, this folder is where I just stored the 5 mods that I've made, just 5 simple mods, colored backgrounds and some keyboard listening and a circle, and this test mod YouTube, that's the circle one. I actually made that because of this is a re-recorded video. I actually just recorded it a couple of minutes ago, but it ended up getting too long, and because I was talking about too much crap. But yeah, let's just open up the program. The mods have the capability, not the capability, but you have the ability to, inside your class file, you can define the name of your mod and the creator. For instance, you can see down here it says at the keyboard, it says Luke Skywalker created this, and that's because in the class I have a where you can get the creator's name, and you just write the creator's name, and down here it says YouTube. And yeah, so but if I just select this blue background mod, you can start seeing that it's just filled the screen here with a big blue background, or a big blue rectangle. And if I resize the window, it's of course going to follow, because the mod loader reports to all the mods that this background or size changes. And we can also the red background, just the 2 first ones that I made, and then I have a half background and the keyboard. And the keyboard is when you press the spacebar or hold it, it paints a black rectangle, and when you release it, it paints a white rectangle. And at the half background, the same thing you can do. Press space and it kind of switches places, so it kind of flips. And the other test mod that I made is like an ellipse and follows the screen. It centers and the width gets calculated from the width of the screen, and the height of this ellipse gets calculated from the height of the screen. But yeah, just a few simple mods that I made. You can make them as complex as you want to. So you can actually, by this mod loader, you can make a whole game yourself and just load it using the mod loader if you wanted to. So for instance, if I'm going to put this into Die to Win or some of my other projects, then you could change the game as much as you want to, just by creating a mod. And the good thing about a mod loader or a mod loader system is that you don't have to override something in the game, in the original game files, to be able to change it. So that's a good thing. But please tell me if you would like me to implement the mod system into the Die to Win game, or also my other projects. And the mod loader is also capable of downloading the mods if you just implement, or not implement, but give it a URL link. So I'm going to create on my website when I get time. So when you log in, you can upload a mod. Then you select which kind of, or not which, but what of my